Hi everybody, it is day 4 reading time. Here you can see Bo. Once again, he is in the same position as yesterday. I'm filming on the same day, but now it's afternoon. Your day 3 reading lesson was filmed in the morning of today. He has moved around the room since my last video, but he has settled back in the same position. We are continuing our work on text structure, but today we will be practicing problem and solution. You need to grab your ready book and a pencil, and we are going to open up to page 234. We are going to continue our text structure work on problem and solution, and we're going to be working with a history article. The title is 30 Seconds of Fuel, and it's by Teresa Baker. Now, this word fuel, it's a material that's used to power something, such as gas is used to power a car. Please follow along and be looking for details that are going to help us identify the structure. So we're looking for those signal words. In July 1969, 3 astronauts blasted off for the moon. Their goal was not only to land on the moon, but also to walk on its surface. The journey from Earth to Moon was quiet, and the astronauts were patient and calm during the trip. The landing, however, would be quite exciting. Paragraph 2. After getting near the moon, the landing ship, named Eagle, separated from the command ship. The command ship then remained in orbit around the moon. During the landing ship's descent to the moon, the astronaut flying the ship made an announcement. Astronaut Neil Armstrong said, "The Eagle has wings." He meant that the landing ship was flying well and doing its job. Paragraph 3. As the Eagle began its final approach, alarms sounded. By now, fuel was running low. Looking out the window, Armstrong realized the terrain was not good for landing. The problem was that it was rocky and dangerous. The landing site was supposed to be smooth. Paragraph 4. There was less than a minute of fuel left for a landing. If they ran out, the Eagle would be forced to cancel its flight and go back to the command ship. Armstrong had to decide how to meet this challenge. Should he call off the landing? Or should he look for another landing spot? He quickly chose to fly the ship to another area. Just seconds later, the ship landed in an area of the moon called the Sea of Tranquility. There were only about 30 seconds of fuel left. Armstrong announced, "The Eagle has landed." So, in paragraph 3, I see the words "the problem." That is one of our signal words that this is going to be a problem and a solution text structure. Also, when you go to paragraph 4, you can see that we have the phrase, decide to meet this challenge. That's another clue that there is a problem. Now, please look on page 235. It says, think, use what you learned from reading the history article to respond to the following questions. So your job on your own is to answer question 1. I want you to do part A, and I want you to do part B. You are not going to do questions 2 and 3. We will go over this story when you come back to school on Thursday. We'll discuss it. If there were any words you didn't know, please put a check mark above them, and then we'll go over your answers.